multiplication of 4 and 5-digit numbers by 1-digit number. Today, let us learn multiplication of 4 and 5-digit numbers by 1-digit number with Miss Lily. Let us start. Hello kids. Let us begin with the multiplication of a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Let us find the product of 3,769 and 2. There are 2 methods to solve this. Let us look at method 1, which is the long method. Place the numbers in the place value chart. First, write the multiplicand 3,769 in the expanded form. So, here we get 3,000 plus 700 plus 60 plus 9. Now, let us multiply each digit of the multiplicand with the multiplier 2. Multiply 9 by 2, which is equal to 18. We will call 18 as the first partial product. Now, you can use the special multiplication fact of how to multiply tens, hundreds or thousands that we learnt in the previous topic. So, when we multiply 60 by 2, we get 120. We will call 120 as the second partial product. Next, multiply 700 by 2 to get 1,400. We will call 1,400 as the third partial product. Finally, multiply 3,000 by 2 to get 6,000. We will call 6,000 as the fourth partial product. Now, add all the partial products to get the final product. Thus, 18 plus 120 plus 1,400 plus 6,000 is equal to the final product, 7,538. Isn't this easy? But it is a little long. So, let us solve the same example with method 2. That is, by regrouping the numbers. Place the numbers in the place value chart. Step 1. Multiply the ones. That is, 2 into 9 ones is equal to 18 ones. Now, regroup 18 ones as 110 plus 8 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens. That is, 2 into 6 tens is equal to 12 tens. Now, 12 tens plus 1 10 is equal to 13 tens. Now, regroup 13 tens as 103 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds. That is, 2 into 7 hundreds is equal to 14 hundreds. Now, 14 hundreds plus 100 is equal to 15 hundreds. Thus, regroup 15 hundreds as 1,500s. Step 4. Multiply the thousands. That is, 2 into 3 thousands is equal to 6 thousands. Now, 6 thousands plus 1,000 is equal to 7 thousands. Thus, the product of 3,769 and 2 is 7,538. Now let us multiply a 5-digit number by a 1-digit number. Let us find the product of 34,654 and 3. Place the numbers in the place value chart. Multiply the ones, that is 4 into 3, which is equal to 12. Write 2 in the ones column and carry over 1 in the tens column. Next, multiply the tens, that is 5 into 3, which is 15. Now add 1 to 15, which is equal to 16. Thus, write 6 in the tens column and carry over 1 in the hundreds column. Next, multiply the hundreds, that is 6 into 3, which is 18. Now add 1 to 18, which is equal to 19. Thus, write 9 in the hundreds column and carry over 1 in the thousands column. Next, multiply the thousands, that is 4 into 3, which is 12. Now add 1 to 12, which is equal to 13. Thus, write 3 in the thousands column and carry over 1 in the 10,000s column. Finally, multiply 10,000s, that is 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Now add 1 to 9, which is equal to 10. Thus, write 0 in the 10,000s column and 1 in the lakhs column. Thus, the product of 34,654 and 3 is 1,03,962. Wasn't it easy learning multiplication of 4 and 5-digit numbers by 1-digit number?